Welcome to Project 36. My name is Elias and I'm a 19-year-old student from Germany. This is my 1992 BMW 320i sedan, which I call Hildy, or Brunhilde. I got her for a really good price and she's far from perfect, so I took the time and thought about everything I wanted to do to this car to really make it shine again. So I quickly came to the conclusion that I don't have the money, I don't have the skills, and I don't have the space to do this. But I think I'm up to the challenge, and also I can show a lot of people who are in the same situation as I am that you don't have to have the biggest budget or the best working area or the best tools. It's just about the mindset, really. Because with the right mindset you can pretty much achieve anything. My car might not become a SEMA show car for $200,000, but I'm sure that I can make it look nice and make it even maybe turn some heads when I'm driving down the street. So this is what this YouTube channel is about. It's about creating a nice car, making the best of what you have, and having fun along the way. I'm gonna be working mostly from my father's garage, which we are trying to convert into a shop right now. I'm fortunate that my father is a car mechanic, so I can ask him stuff and he got some equipment at home. As for videos, I will mostly film with my phone and with a little fake GoPro I got a few years ago. I'm looking forward to maybe upgrade my video setup in the future, but for now I want to put everything I have towards my car, which is not a lot, but I will try my best. And as for the videos themselves, I will try my best and produce as much content as I can, but with university and the limited budget I have, I'm not able to uphold a specific uploading schedule, and I don't want to really rush these videos. So yeah, the videos come as I have the time and money to do them. A specific video for the car, like a planning video, will be coming soon, and yeah, it all starts from there. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one.